These are solutions to Melham's exam 4 for Math 120 at College of San Mateo. Question number 1, do the square root property. 3x minus 1 equals plus or minus 8. Add 1 to both sides, divide by 3. X is 1 plus or minus 8 over 3. 1 minus 8 is negative 7/3. 1 plus 8 is 9/3. That was the easiest way to do this one, but if you did it some other way and it was legitimate and you got the right answer, I'd still give you credit. Number 2, multiply out the left side and then add 6. Y squared minus 2y plus 3 equals 0. Do the quadratic formula. Y is negative b, 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared, 4, minus 4 times 1 times 3 over 2 times 1. That's going to give me negative 8 under the radical. Now, if you said no solution, I would have accepted it. The 0 with a slash means no solution, no real solution. But if you went going, that's okay. This is a problem involving I. So take out the I. 8 is 4 times 2. 4 comes outside, becomes a 2. Divide 2, divide 2. 1 plus or minus I radical 2. Or if you put no solution, I would have taken it. Number 3, if the solutions are negative 4, 1, and 5, you basically just have to go y equals x plus 4, x minus 1, x minus 5. And you could have stopped there. That would have been fine. Number 4, factor 4x squared minus 1, x squared plus 2 equals 0. That means either this is 0 or this is 0. A little bit of algebra, add 1, divide 4, x squared is 1/4. Subtract 2, x squared is negative 2, so that's going to involve I. So x is plus or minus the square root of 1/4, or plus or minus the square root of negative 2. X is plus or minus a half, or x is plus or minus I radical 2. Number 5, the vertex is at negative b over 2a. So negative 2 over 2 times 1. That's 2 over 2, or 1. And you plug in 1 to the original, you get negative 9. So the vertex is 1, negative 9. I plugged in some other convenient points, like when you plug in 0, you get negative 8. And when you plug in 2, you get negative 8. So the general shape is something like this. Number 6, factor x plus y, x minus y divided by x plus y. X plus y cancels. Final answer is x minus y. Number 7, factor the difference of cubes, x minus 2, x squared plus 2x plus 4. And this factors in 2x minus 5, x minus 2. Okay, it was a division, so I flip it and multiply. So on the bottom is x squared plus 2x plus 4. This one I factored into 2x minus 5, x plus 3. 2x minus 5 cancels out, x minus 2 cancels out, and x squared plus 2x plus 4 cancels out. The only thing that's left is x plus 3. Because everything else is gone. And let's see, actually, there should be an x minus 2 also. Sorry. X minus 2 belongs there also. It does not look like it cancels out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, I take it back. X minus 2 does cancel out. I had it right the first time. X plus 3, just x plus 3. Right, x minus 2 cancels here. 8, factor the bottom, x plus 1, x plus 5. Factor the bottom, x plus 1, x plus 4. So to get a common denominator, this one needs x plus 4, top and bottom, x plus 5, top and bottom. So distribute 4x squared plus 16x minus 3x squared minus 15x over x plus 1, x plus 4, x plus 5. The top comes out to be x squared plus x. Factor out the x, x plus 1. X plus 1 cancels this, x plus 1. Final answer is x over x plus 4, x plus 5. Number 9, solve the equation. The easiest thing to do is clear the fractions. Multiply both sides by 3x, the common denominator. 3 plus 12x equals 4x. Subtract 12x, 3 equals negative 8x. Divide by negative 8, x is negative 3/8. And finally 10, upstream and downstream. Distance equals rate times time. The distance is the same, which is 8 miles. Okay, the stream, we call x the speed in still water. Okay, the speed of the current is 2 miles an hour. So if you're going upstream, you're slower by 2 miles an hour. And downstream, you go faster by 2 miles an hour. Distance equals rate times time means time is distance divided by rate. So distance divided by rate is 8 over x minus 2. And downstream 8 over x plus 2. Now you're told that the total number of hours is 3. So 8 over x minus 2 plus 8 over x plus 2 is equal to 3. multiply both sides by the common denominator, x plus 2, x minus 2. So x minus 2 cancels out, you have 8 times x plus 2. And if you take these 2 times this, x plus 2 cancels out, you have 8 times x minus 2. And distribute 3 times x squared minus 4. Clean this up, 8x plus 16 plus 8x minus 16, 3x minus 12. 16's cancel out. 16x equals 3x squared minus 12. Subtract 16x on both sides. 3x squared minus 16x minus 12 equals 0. Factor into 3x plus 2x minus 6. This is not possible. You get a negative number. This kind of word problem, you don't want any negative for speed. This one will give me x equals 6 miles an hour. So the final answer is 6 miles an hour. Okay, and a little double check. 6 miles an hour. If you go upstream, 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 miles an hour to go 8 hours, that would require 2 hours. Downstream, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 miles an hour to go 8 miles is 1 hour. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So the total is indeed 3 hours, just as we anticipated. Okay, so those are solution keys to Milham's exam 4 for Math 120.